Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 15.2 volume and surface area onward question number 14. So in this question it has been said that earth is dug out in a cylindrical shape from a plot of land. The hole is 30 meter deep and 7 meter in diameter. This earth is separate out on an adjacent plot of land which is in the shape of a rectangle of length 33 meter and breadth 40 meter. Then we have to ask what will the height of the rectangular plot rise. Okay. So dear children, in this question it has been said the earth is dug out. Okay. The earth is dug out. Suppose this is the earth dug out in a cylindrical shape of a plot land. The hole is 30 meter. Okay, so this is the height, 30 meter hole, and diameter are given, which is 7 meter. Diameter equal to 7 meter, and the soil, okay, here soil is earth separate in the adjacent plot in the form of rectangle. So the earth is separate over here in rectangular form, whose length is 33 meter and breadth is 40 meter. So this means, suppose this is the rectangular form plot over earth is separate, means soil is separate. The dimension of the rectangular field that is given to us, this is 33 meter and breadth is 40 meter. This is 40 meter. Okay, and we need to ask what will its height extend. Okay, so suppose here the height extend up to height h. Okay, so the first thing we have to write what is given. So radius r1 of suppose radius r. Okay, suppose radius r of cylindrical shape. Okay, means this cylindrical hole is given. So let r be the radius of the cylindrical hole, which is 7/2 meter. Okay, so diameter is given, so radius equal to 7/2. And the height, let h be the height of this cylindrical hole, which is equal to 30 meter. Okay, and also the soil is separate in a line in the form of rectangle of length 33 meter and breadth 40 meter. So suppose L be the length of the rectangular field, which is equal to 33 meter, and B equal to breadth of the rectangular field, which is equal to 40 meter, and let So we need to find the height of the rectangular part. So this means the volume of the earth in cylindrical shape hole is equal to the volume of the soil from volume of the soil in rectangular plot. Okay, so one thing is clear from the figure. Volume of the soil, volume of the soil in volume of soil from cylindrical volume of soil from cylindrical hole equal to volume of soil in rectangular plot. Volume of soil to form rectangular plot. Okay, total volume of soil in earth is equal to the volume of the rectangular plot formed by the soil. Okay, so here this is the hole in cylindrical shape, and this rectangular plot is cuboid form. So we know how to find the area of cylindrical and cuboid form here. So cylindrical, so this will be pi r square H, and here in cuboid this is L into V into height. Let's suppose capital H. Okay, so capital H equal to pi r square small h upon L into V. So here we need to substitute the value of pi r h L and V. So here pi is 22/7 and radius r is 7/2. So this is 7/2 into height is 30 meter cube upon length into breadth. Length is 33 meter into breadth is 40 meters. Okay, then after the simplify this expression, so here 7 cancel out, and here 2, 11 and 30, 15 times. Okay, and this is 11 3 are 33 and 3 5 are 15, 7 2 are 14. Okay, so after simplification we are left over here 5/2 and also 2 meter cancel out from numerator and denominator. So 5/2 meter. Okay, and after simplification this is 5 divided by 2, so that gives us 2.5 meter. Okay, 2.5 meter finally. So 2.5 meter is the height of the rectangular plot raised after separating the soil from the whole cylindrical hole on the line in rectangular form. Okay, so children, this is the required answer of question number 14. Okay. Okay children, now move to the question number 15. So in this question it has been said that a cylindrical vessel of radius 77 cm is filled with water to a height of 80 cm. If some more water is added to raise height to 100 cm, find the increase in the volume of water in the vessels in liter. Okay. So we have given a cylindrical vessels whose radius equal to 77 centimeter. Okay. Here water is filled up to height 80 centimeters. Okay. And if some more water is added, the height becomes 100 centimeter. So we have to find increase in the volume of water. Okay, increase in the volume of the water in the vessels in liter. Okay, so here radius R is given, which is equal to 77 centimeter. Suppose this is the radius of the cylindrical vessels, and these are two different heights. Okay, these are two different heights. Suppose the first one be height h1 equal to height h1. This is equal to 8 centimeter. Another be height h2 of the water level, which is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. The increased volume of the water in the cylindrical vessels is equal to the difference of the volume of the different height. Okay. So increase in the volume of water equal to pi r square h2 minus pi r square h1. So here pi is common, pi r square is common, so this is h2 minus h1. Now substituting the value over here in this expression. So here pi is 22 by 7 and radius, this is 77 centimeter into 77 centimeter, and height, here height 100 centimeter means 100 minus 80 centimeter. So here we can cancel 77 by 7, so remaining 22 into 11 into 77 into 20 centimeter cube, and after multiplication that gives 22 into 11 into 77 into 20 is equal to 372.68 centimeter cube. Okay, this is increase in the volume of water equal to 372.680 centimeter cube, and but here we have to ask in liter, so we need to divide by 1000. So 3720 is divided by 1000 liters. So we can cancel 1 0 from numerator and denominator. So after simplification, this we will get 372.68 liters. Okay, 372.68 liter. This is the increase in the volume of the water in the vessels in liter. Okay, so this is the required answer of question number 15.